Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare carrot halwa. This delightful dessert is surprisingly simple to make at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh carrots, 1 cup of full-fat milk, and half a cup of sugar. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of ghee, a pinch of aromatic cardamom powder, and your favorite chopped nuts for garnish. A touch of condensed milk adds extra creaminess. Now let's begin the cooking process. In a large, heavy-bottomed pan, melt 2 tablespoons of ghee over medium heat. Once the ghee is warm, add all of your freshly grated carrots. Sauté these vibrant carrots for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. This initial cooking helps to remove the raw flavor and brings out their natural sweetness, forming the perfect base for our delicious halwa. Next, we'll introduce the liquids. Pour 1 cup of full-fat milk into the pan with the carrots. Then, add half a cup of sugar, stirring thoroughly to combine all ingredients. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer, uncovered, stirring every few minutes. Continue cooking until all the milk has evaporated and the carrots are beautifully tender, absorbing all the sweet flavors. For the grand finale, let's add the finishing touches. Stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. This makes the halwa incredibly rich and creamy. Now, sprinkle in a pinch of fragrant cardamom powder for that classic aroma. Mix everything well until fully combined. Garnish your warm carrot halwa with your favorite roasted nuts, such as almonds or cashews. Serve it warm or chill it for a refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.